like a circle that floats around me, keeping me safe and sound. And when I shine with your reflection on me, I'm getting back up on my feet. That you showed up was written in the palm. You are a statement, explode like a bomb. I get to push myself to victory. You make me winner. You cut me loose and set me free. You make me win in every way. You show me how to spread the wings.
Sobrang saya, lalo na pag nakikita sila.
Na-inspire nila ako na magpursige sa buhay. Kahit gano'ng kakahirap, wala yun sa estado ng buhay.
Fams, ang laki po ng impact ng pamilya mo sa pamilya namin. Kayo yung inspiration namin everyday.
Panahong lost ako, sa kanila ko nahanap yung tahanan. Grateful ako at nandito ako makita ko sila ngayon.
Napakalaki po talaga ng impact na naibigay nito.
Good vibes palagi. All good in the hood. All good in the hood!
All good in the hood!